Welcome to the Knowledge Academy. Greetings, future leaders. Are you looking to advance your management skills and stand out in your career? ILM Qualifications might be the perfect fit. Stick around to discover how to select the best ILM qualification for your professional growth. Let's begin with the basics. ILM, or the Institute of Leadership and Management, offers globally recognized qualifications designed to develop leadership and management skills at all career stages. Whether you're just starting out or aiming for a senior role, there's an ILM qualification for you. ILM qualifications are highly respected by employers and focus on practical skills that can be applied immediately in the workplace. Why should you consider ILM qualifications? Boost your career. ILM qualifications are designed to fast-track your career, enhancing your skills and confidence in managing people and projects. Practical learning. Unlike theory-heavy programs, ILM focuses on real-world challenges and solutions, making you workplace-ready from day one. Employer recognition. Many top organizations prefer ILM-certified professionals for leadership and management roles. Choosing the right ILM qualification depends on your career stage and goals. Let's break it down. Level 2. Perfect for team leaders or those starting their management journey. It focuses on building foundational leadership skills. Level 3. Ideal for new managers, covering core management principles like decision-making and problem-solving. Level 4. Perfect for aspiring middle managers and experienced team leaders, focusing on strategic leadership skills. Level 5. Designed for mid-level managers aiming for senior roles, with a focus on strategic planning and performance improvement. Level 7. Tailored for senior leaders and directors, this advanced level dives into strategic leadership and business transformation. ILM qualifications are more than certificates, they're tools for success. Here's how they help in real-world scenarios. Team management. Gain the skills to inspire and guide your team effectively. Conflict resolution. Learn to address workplace challenges with confidence. Strategic thinking. Equip yourself to make data-driven, long-term decisions. ILM stands out for its flexibility and practical approach. Whether you prefer classroom training, live online sessions, or self-paced learning, ILM offers formats that fit your schedule. With a focus on real-world application and skill development, ILM ensures you're prepared to handle the challenges of modern management. An ILM qualification opens doors to various management roles, such as team leader, project manager, operations manager, HR manager, and senior leader. With ILM's global recognition, you can work across industries and regions, taking your career to new heights. Ready to elevate your career? Here's how you can start your ILM journey. Identify your career goals. Choose the ILM level that aligns with your aspirations. Select a learning format, pick from classroom, online, or self-paced options. Contact the Knowledge Academy. Enroll today and access top-tier resources and expert-led training. To summarize, ILM qualifications empower you with the skills to lead, inspire, and achieve your professional goals. Whether you're managing your first team or spearheading a company-wide initiative, ILM prepares you for success. Contact the Knowledge Academy today to explore our ILM courses and start your journey to becoming a better leader. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.